How to pin chats in Instagram DMs. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to pin conversations in Instagram direct messages on iOS and Android. I'm using iOS for this tutorial. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the Instagram application is same on both of the devices. So what you gotta do is first of all head over to your Instagram application and then you gotta head over to your messages. So once you're in your messages, you gotta select the chat that you wish to pin. For example, this is the chat and I wish to pin it. You can simply slide the chat to the right and then you gotta click on these three dots over here and you'll be able to see two options appear. One would be pin and other would be mute. So you gotta click on pin. And now you can see that the chat is pinned. There will be a thumb pin icon appear over here. So that was quite simple and that was basically how you can pin chats in Instagram DMs. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.